Question number 24, Bundle 7, Module 2. We will discuss every single concept used in the question. Total 3 concepts are used. Let's read the question. In triangle XYZ, angle Z is a right angle. Okay. And the length of YZ is 24 units. If tan of X is equal to 12 by 35. Let's stop here. In first triangle, I am placing X here and Y here. And in the second triangle, I am placing X here and Y here. Just to make the concept very clear. Now when it says 10x, so in the first triangle, this one is the theta. And in the second triangle, here is the theta. Now when I write tan of x, this is opposite over adjacent. Now this one is important, adjacent, right? So when I say x, then this will be opposite and this will be adjacent, right? And when I place x here, this is opposite and this is adjacent. You have to be very careful about this. Otherwise your whole question, will be wrong. 12 over 13. So opposite should be 12 and adjacent should be 35. So here it is 12 and this one is 35. And here this one is 12 and this one is 35. But in the both questions you see YZ is 12. YZ is 12, right? First concept is this. We have done tan x. How to place x and how opposite and adjacents are decided. Now second concept is because perimeter of the triangle is asked, we need to find the third side because perimeter is the sum of all sides, right? So in both cases, hypotenuse is same. So xy whole squared is equal to xc whole squared plus cy whole squared. Xc is 35 squared plus yc is 12 squared. Because this is SAT and calculator is allowed, right? So we can directly find this value as 1369. But because this is squared, then xy is the square root of this, which is 37. Second concept used, Pythagoras. Now the third concept is if I write tan of x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, right? Tan of x is this. Opposite is yz and hypotenuse is xy. So yz is 12 according to the question, right? But actually these are ratios. Here the word ratio is very important, right? This is the ratio. Now if I see it in a little bit more detail, if I write 6 by 9, because common factor is 3, so 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. These are equivalent ratios, right? So if I use this concept in my question, I need 24. That means if this needs to be double, this should also be double. And hypotenuse, this should also be double, right? The actual triangle is double to this triangle. So that means the sides are 24 and 70 and double of 37, which is 74. 74, yes, these are all the sides. So this is equal to 168. So B is the right option, right? Ratio. What is the meaning by ratio? That means if I am taking this triangle, this is the ratio. But if yc is 24, the size of the triangle or the sides are double. So every side will be doubled. This is what I have used here. Double of 12 is 24. Double of 35 is 70. And third one is 37. So that will be 74. And so B is the right option, right? Okay. Now, in question number 25th, x squared plus 14x plus y squared minus is equal to 6y plus 109. In the xy plane, the graph of the given equation is a circle. What is the length of the circle's radius? Okay, if I see the equation of the circle, this is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole squared is equal to r squared. Now my equation is not in this form, so that means I have to convert it. Let's do x squared plus 14x. This is first set. We will convert it into this. And second is like move 6y to this side plus 6y. We will just convert it here. So that is okay. Minus 6y, and that is equal to 109. Now what we do, whatever is the value of b, like how to square, it is x squared plus bx plus c. If I need to convert, complete the square. So whatever is the coefficient of b, we add the square of it or subtract the square of it or add it on both sides. So half of it is 7. 14 by 2 is 7. So square root of is 49. Now if I'm adding it on the left hand side, it should be done on the right hand side too. Similarly, here 6 by 2 is 3. So square of 3 is 9 here as well as here. Now you will say that it is x, y, it is negative 6 and it is positive 4. Why we are adding, right? It affects the middle sign, x plus 7 whole squared. If you are feeling difficulty in completing the square, you can just comment me. I'll make like this as a concept video and share it. So that will be y minus 3 whole squared. This positive and negative sign is affecting here. So that is equal to 167. Now my equation is r squared, right? R squared. That means this is r squared. I need to find r. So that is x plus 7 whole squared plus y minus 3 whole squared is equal to square root of 167 whole squared. So this is the radius which is squared. That means C is the right option.